Hello, hello. What's up? Welcome, welcome. Wait. Make sure my audio's working, and we're good to go. What's going on, guys? Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the Thunderdome. Let's freaking go, man. All right, we'll do a quick recap, and then we're gonna get into the freaking thing, man. Let's get into the weeds of this. I'm just playing some music. All right, let's talk. Okay, so I mean, SanDisk went from damn near $1,600 yesterday to fucking $1,426, which is still, I mean, it's still in a zone where it's like I'm not buying fucking SanDisk, bro. But I want to kind of test out the market here with my regular prompt number 3, and this is like, it'll usually give me a good sentiment of where Tradealgo thinks the market's going. Like the fucking SPY is dropping. I think tech is dropping. We got a 217 NVDA. I could grab $1 on puts. I could grab $1 in movement on puts. So I'm gonna see what the deal is if I use this basic in the money options trade prompt. And we'll go through. I'd like an in the money option. So we're averaging right now. It's about $1,000 a day with the same prompt, that same idea. And I'm saying to Tradealgo, I'm using the language model, and I'm saying to Tradealgo, I'd like an in the money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis recommendation. And after I go in and say that, we are going in and pressing enter, and we go in and take the trade. But what's good, guys, is what's the deal? Good morning. There's like, what up, JJ? Well, what's going on? Lunar calls, LUNR calls. See, when it gives me a random stock like this, that's just, you know, there's no strength, or there's no bullish transactions coming from institutions on like the Mag 7, right? Usually it's going to give me a call or a put in the Mag 7. When it gives me LUNR, it's like a signal to me that if big money's not on the Mag 7, then what's the deal? So I've got these 15th of May's LUNR. Let's check out LUNR before I go in and have another morning like I did on Fastly. Okay, so LUNR calls. This thing has already kind of had its move today. And on a stock that's $30 with a $6 billion market cap, it just doesn't seem like a move for options for me. I mean, what was Tradealgo telling me to do here? It's a 15th of May, 425, or 2450 strike. So if I go 15th of May, what up JJ? What up, Johnny? Missed the last couple trades. Bro, we've been crushing. This is a $24 strike price. Bro, what are we talking about? $24 strikes have nothing. 27-day volume, 769 open interest. I mean, I give it to Tradealgo. They don't usually steer me wrong, but I'm not going to take this. It's not going to be one of those ones that I think I'll have a lot of fun with. I'm going to go here. I'm going to have some fun. What am I doing right now? So I'm on the Tradealgo premium dashboard, and we're going to run the same thing. We've got a bearish-ass market today. Pfizer, AXTI. What I'm doing here is I'm clicking on so this top picks of the day basically just represents a list of stocks that Tradealgo's AI has curated that are getting high amount of institutional transactions, right? So this list of stocks right here these companies are getting massive amount of institutional transactions. So you have time frames based on what the algo is kind of scoring on how the stock is going to move in the next hour. So if I go to Unity Software, I see this thing is bullish for the next hour and then bearish for the rest of the day. It's not really something I'm too fond of going in and doing. What I'm looking for here is I'm looking for a company. When I click it, all 3 of these time frames line up, bro. It's been a fire morning. What's good, JJ? Bro, can you buy me a laptop for college? Okay, so I'm looking for a stock that's just gonna say it's bullish all day, or bearish or bullish all day. So I'm clicking like Pfizer, for example. It's bullish on the 1 hour. I go to the 4 hour. It's bearish. Applied Digital. See, bearish on the 1 hour, bullish everything else. Just nothing's really lining up for me to be like, this is the play to make. AXTI, ENVX. Nothing is coming up as full bearish or bullish. Now, I would trust TradeAlgo for the hour. All I did here was just move into 4 hours, look at a different list of stocks. SoFi, no. CARR, all bear. So we have bearish, bearish, bullish. Not gonna work. DOCN, DigitalOcean. These guys are, I love this. This is the first company I created a OpenClaw on, if I'm not mistaken. DigitalOcean or VirtualOcean. IONQ, another not conclusive. What do we got? Okay, so lows. So lows puts are looking like the move, weirdly. Okay, lows puts. Let's switch this to a 1 minute and see what we can grab here. Yo, this is looking really, really shitty on a 1 minute, bro. You don't trade this. You don't trade this. We're not gonna do lows. It's just the chart's too choppy. PSX, GEMI, JP Morgan. Fuck yeah, this is great. JP Morgan puts are probably gonna be the move. Let's do JP Morgan puts, and then it looks like this thing is going up, up, up. But if we really look at this, we might be getting into like more downtrend. So I'm gonna do a JP Morgan put. I'm not gonna go too crazy here, but I'm just gonna be like, this stock is going down and you're ranking it as bearish all day. Give me a day trade to take on JPM give me a day trade to take on JPM to capitalize on this fucking bearishness. And then I'm also going to emphasize just a simple options trade, nothing complicated or multi-legged. That would be a no. What'd you go to college for? I didn't go to college. I didn't go to college. All right, so we've got our trade. I'm just waiting for TradeGPT to stop fucking yapping, man. We gotta go quick. Let me get this loaded up already. Okay, I'm just going on Webull. Let me see what the deal is. Okay, so I asked TradeGPT for a simple trade, and it told me to do here. JP Morgan 295 at June 18th. If the move is a bit slow. Same week theta if the move is a bit slow. I guess, but I'm looking for volatility, and usually volatility comes with the side of high theta. All right, we're going to do JPM. We're going to go options, and then I'm going to do a shorter term expiration. I'm going to move this to the 15th of May, and because the stock right now is at 298, I will do a $295 put. These are coming in right here for 15th of May. I know I'm not doing what TradeGPT tells me to do. I got to puts. $295. These are coming in at $2. If I just did $5,000, so a little 5,150. JP Morgan 295. We are filled at $2.06. All right, let's go. I'll bring my entry here on the screen, and then we'll draw some lines here on the chart. Okay, my entry is right here. 295. I filled at $2.06. I am going to be losing money on this trade right now. We took a very volatile trade on a stock that's going up right now. We took a very volatile put on a stock that's going up. So it's gonna reflect badly in the very beginning, but I'm 99% sure, like I always am, that this is the right thing to do. This is JP Morgan at 295, 15th of May. Right, okay, how many did we do? We did 25 contracts. We filled at $2.06 on average, so some contracts filled a little bit less. And then we are here at May 12th, 2026 at 11:12 a.m. We filled these at market. So I'm gonna go through. And, bro, how to learn this, know to me. I am a high roller, ouch. It's all good, Johnny, it's all good. Not a bad thing. We're chilling, we're chilling. All right. Looks like there's a better fill than we thought. I'm gonna draw profit lines right here. Take profit 296 as like a fucking Epstein intuition level take profit, and then we'll probably start actually thinking about it right here at 297.50. We're at 298.59. So if this stock goes down $1, like I said, we catch a dollar move. And we are good. No stop loss here. So I'll draw my entry right here. We're taking puts, guys. These are puts. So we want it to go below this line. We want the red thing to go below this orange line. Okay, I'll just draw this. Entry. And then TP1. Target price 1. And then anything here to here. We'll call this like MOG zone. We'll call this the MOG zone. MOG zone / Epstein intuition. Yeah. All right. So this is target price 1. We have our MOG zone and we have our entry. So you guys know the vibes. Now it's like we're just spray and pray, baby. We spray and pray. We've entered the trade. What's up, mother truckers? I'm back. Yo, Warbucks is back. What's up, my Boston guy? How to learn trading. How much money do you have? How much money do you have to trade with? Inconspicuous. What's up, Inconspicuous? How you feeling, bro? How are you feeling, brother? Yeah, I'm down 500 so far on this. 186. 186. Hey, Stephanie. What's up? Are you calling me Stephanie, bro? Why? I mean, unless the entire market starts reversing, it's not though. I have a little thing of like stocks that sits right here that I can track like without you guys seeing. I should let you guys be able to see this, but like this little section right here, it kind of tells me what the fuck is going on, and I'm actively watching these stocks drop. Right? I mean, to kind of follow NVDA for a second. Okay, it's going down, bro. It's going down. Look, with 217, we're just fluctuating. It's just fluctuating. So the whole market's kind of moving in this weird downward direction. If I take a couple chin checks right here to grab a 297 target price on JP Morgan, fuck it, right? You said my name is. I'm not Stephanie. Ethereum dropping like a B. Yeah, it is. Bro, get this thing back down at $80. Fuck it. Fuck Ethereum, man. Like, what the fuck is Ethereum? I'm just kidding, obviously. 44 major bearish push. You think it's gonna last? Hey, JJ, you think it's gonna last all day? You think this bearish push is gonna last all day? Because like I'm trading a pretty fucking closely tied stock to the S&P 500, just JP Morgan, and I'm down right now. Adar, I first want to learn. You want to learn how to do aggressive options trading before you have money. That's like. I mean, fuck it, bro. That'd be like if I was in a wheelchair and I wanted to learn how to run a marathon. Like, I want to know the fundamentals of running a marathon, right? You got to be, like, first things first is you got to be real about it, bro. Monero is my life. SP 500 dropping hard. Perfect. That's what I want. Like, JP Morgan should reflect this, man. I mean, look what Tradealgo's ranking this as. It's just very bearish all day long. I've never seen this from Tradealgo. It's literally calling it very bearish, right? When have you ever, like, I don't think in the history of my stream we've ever had a fucking insight from Tradealgo saying something is very bearish. Bro, I've perfected a bot. I can say if it can sell my golden chicken, boom, major bearish push in the day. If one bot if I can get the bot, I can resell them. Okay, well, the first thing is, what financial market is your bot trading? That's my first question. Let's pull up the S&P 500 real quick. Okay, I guess JP Morgan doesn't necessarily reflect this too much. JP Morgan's going up and the S&P 500 is continuously going down. Ugh, come on, man. What is this like spacey fucking bullshit that only me runs into? Do we buy that they're fearful and bearish? If I take the bot, then I can absolutely BTC XMR bot. There you go. So what data sources are you using with the bot? And like kind of tell me the tech stack, right? Are you using like an OpenClaw agent? Is it like something else? Is it like, like Zebra where it's a Python process? Okay. Even if it's going down, is it still wise to invest in it for like long term? Some chatter from the stream called Peter Park was tagging me in his YouTube channel trying to scam people join his Telegram group. Pretty weird, not gonna lie. Wait, for real, Johnny? Peter Parker? The fuck? If you see him in the stream, let me know. We'll ask him. Let's assume it works for me. Can I sell it? Probably can. I mean, the first thing is, can you house it in a distributable environment, right? Or is it just an MD file, right? Because there's fucking quote unquote profitable MD files you can give bots. Then it just comes down to data that you need. Like, could you imagine selling a fucking MD file is something like you give an agent that like gives it superpowers. They're not superpowers, but like it turns it into a certain, like it lets it do things on a certain process that it didn't have to think of itself, right? So you kind of give it the guidelines to operate. So let's just say you have a winning MD file for, dude, fucking NVDA is dropping so much. Why is JP Morgan not fucking falling? Anyway, so you have these MD files, and right, so the MD file is like a hard-coded instruction for a way an AI agent operates. So if you gave a bot an MD file on like lead scraping, right? You gave the bot all of the instructions it needs to operate as a lead scraper. The MD file would be everything, so you wouldn't have to ask that bot the process, and create the process yourself. Now, if I had an MD file for profitable trading bot, now what I could do is I could have an MD file for a profitable trading bot, but the process on that MD file says it has to go through a data set that's $100,000 a month. You just fucking shilled beyond belief. It's honestly a troll. Like, I would consider doing that. I would make a fucking MD file for an agent that relies on an extremely valuable data set, and I would give it to some asshat who thinks that you can print money in the stock market. I'd just be like, yeah, bro, I mean, you don't have the fucking data because you're retarded. Yes, the stream is good. No, I want free content and I won't. How do I distribute a singular bot? Just go short this market. I'd get out of trade at 11 and reposition at 2 to 4 p.m. the same time frame. I mean, why don't I just hold it all myself? It's a one-hit wonder of arbitrage. If I pay my credit card bill right now, it will help drive the stock. You're with Chase. Listen, Stephanie, the bot is the only thing, and it's only arbitrage. So can I sell this? And there is no MD file. It's a single martingale sheet. Yeah, you probably could. I mean, you'd have to do marketing and stuff behind it, right? How would you market it? That's like the next thing. A lot of winning products just don't have good marketing plans because the guy who made them is a fucking genius when it comes to everything else but marketing. Dude, we're getting mogged right now, bro. It's gonna drop. It is gonna drop. It's just like, look at like how this has been going all morning. It goes up like this, hits one big cast candle, and then it drops again, right? So if we can get, I mean, let's just like this much like space right here. If I take this line right here and I drag it up to here, we're gonna be well into our entry, right? Even if it only does half of what it did on the last drop, we'd be fucked. So we needed to actually do what it did before. We get it right into our entry price, and then I probably just rotate the trade. But like the what I'm doing here is like retarded math, right? I just think that I just drew this line to measure the space that it went down here, and then I just bring it back to here. And let's see if this is right, bro, and this thing followed this line to go down. Like it's just like it just goes to show that Wall Street guys are fucking chuds. One trade day, you know Chud the Builder? Yeah, I do know Chud the Builder. I saw a really here. Look at this Chud meme today. Look at this Chud meme that I saw. I sent this to George Faber. This is so retarded. It's like LARP. It's like some kid throwing rocks at an elephant and yelling LARP, and then the elephant like looking at him, and then just like the next frame is like just the elephant with like blood on the ground. Yeah, he would just offer it as a one-time price, right? But I mean, how long will it work? Is Chud based or nah? Nah. Chud is like woke, isn't he? Regressive or unintelligent, frequently employed in online political discourse, right? So like chuds are just fucking chuds, bro. Chuds and soy jacks. So I want to explain. This is soy jack. This is soy jack. And then chud is dude, what is Chud the Builder? Oh, this guy. Never mind. No, I don't endorse this guy. I can't endorse this guy on stream, bro. I literally can't. It does make me laugh though. But like on stream, I can't publicly say that if I fucking think that guy's funny. He gets pegged, right? Who gets pegged? Chud the Builder? Yeah, I have no idea. What up, Aaliyah Rocha? What up, lead loader? 134, and would you have exposed such a strat for what cost? And you 134%, and would you expose such a strat for what cost? Yeah, what not? It's not like a fucking conversation I could have on stream. It's like I mean, it seems like you're offering an actual business proposal. I can't give you an answer to that on stream. But here's the mindset. Here's the mindset, and tell me if I'm wrong. This guy actually trades. So if I look at JP Morgan on a 1 minute chart and we see this big drop right here, is it safe to say that if the stock keeps going up, it'll drop again that much? And that's like a predictive measure? Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine.
You have to scroll up and see if there's a gap to fill.
Yeah, there's a massive gap to fill.
Oh yeah, then I'd do calls and say your stop for, I set a stop in the buy order.
I have no idea if they heard that or not. Fuck yeah.
Dude, Nick Kerr, Steve Kerr's son. Look him up. Steve Kerr's son.
His name is not Nick. Steve Kerr's son is.
Steve Kerr's son.
Holy shit.
Look at him. Look at his ears.
Dude, this guy exists. This guy exists, and he's 33 years old. Yeah, bro. He's born on 11/9/1992.
Oh, so now.
Yeah. Wow. He's born on like the reverse date of 9/11, and his name is Nick Kerr. No, dude, I'm short. I'm short. That's why I'm fucking sitting here sweating my balls off. I'm short, bro. I'm losing money. My P&L's tweaking again. I'm at fucking 181, bro. Oh my god, dude. Bro, I just don't get it, man. Like, the entire market crumbles and JP Morgan decides to be the, like, just JP Morgan decides to outperform the market. Yeah, just, like, let's make it make sense, actually. Like, is there something I'm missing here? Like, do these guys have a money glitch? Is there something that I'm freaking missing while all of the major stocks and major institutions are down? Is, like, do they have Michael Burry over there just shorting everything? Like, tell me, bro. Like, do they have, like, some autist Rain Man on their trading floor that's just trading the entire fucking damn near $1 trillion that these guys are responsible for? You got your 3 crows, bro. You should go long. Oh, my God. Do I re-roll my position into longs? Dude, this is what I get for not listening to fucking TradeGPT. I didn't listen to Tradealgo here. I mean, I'm only shorting all week. Then why would I just keep this for the end of the week? These things go up and down, man. Okay, let's break down original Donkey's message. Dude, I think you gotta remember that JP knows the OG O and G situation, and they've been counter-cyclical for 3 quarters, and there is guidance coming up, Ace. Are you calling me Ace? I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, Cap. You calling me Ace? Guys, I'm not longing this. I'm not long. I'm still short on this. This just might be one of those mornings we start off below the fucking bell. Open my CoreWeaver. CoreWeave? I love CoreWeave. They should all of semi should be down. All of semi should be down just like everything else. Yeah. CoreWeave's down 7%. I mean, fucking SanDisk is down. All these guys, man. Everyone's down. I don't need fucking massive confirmation here, bro. It's my... Okay, honestly, bro, can I ask you guys a question? And I really don't want you guys to roast me when I ask this, but can I ask something if this is valid? Is it possible that this thing could go back to where it dropped off and then bounce off of that? Like, it bounces off of this line. Like, will it bounce? Like, will it bounce right here, bro? It will. It will bounce right here. It'll bounce right here, won't it? Check DDOG. Cocaine stock trading guy is back. It can, right? Well, okay, it can do anything at that point. It could just bounce off of this and go all the way down here to my Mog Zone Epstein intuition level. Like, I really think it can, bro. I really think it could do that. Always short more. D-Dog entry. Boo, another trading stream. Bro, what the... How am I supposed to... What's the trade? I'm in these JP Morgan puts, but I did a further out expiration. TradeGPT told me to do June 15th, and I was like, bro, it's going down right now. I'll just grab this week's expirations with high volatility and theta. Evil Magic, DDOG. Okay. Point taken. I'll do DDOG. There's 2 G's in this, by the way. G. Okay. And then what is okay, DDOG. These guys, Datadog, chimp out and drink some alcohol. I'm the evil. Yeah, these guys are fucking falling. What's I mean, let's just do the thing we did yesterday. I'm gonna say give me a predictive exact price for this stock in the next 4 weeks. This is Datadog. Give me a predictive exact price for this stock in the 4 weeks. Just give me the number and nothing else. If you look where your dashed white line is, there's multiple spots of resistance, which in turn and now support. I can't do that. Why? Give it a prediction. Like what? N is in this. N is a word. N is a letter. Nine 195. So it's saying it might like just fluctuate to 195. It might just be tweaking though. GD, just check hourly, bro. Just look at GEX. E is in it. Zebra. E is in it. Should have listened to the robot. I know I should have. Yeah, nagger, like the annoying people was the correct word. Just like the South Park episode. Let's look at the hour. Oh, I'm on a 1 minute. That's why shit looks fucking geeked. Damn, the 1 hour does look juicy. What's your play here, bro? Damn, that letter game made me laugh. Nigerian nugget. The Bass Assassin. Yo, so this is the moment of truth, bro. Is it going to bounce off this line or nah? Is it going to bounce off this line? Is it going to bounce off this line or not, bro? Is it going to bounce off this line? Please, God, yes. I don't know if I want to lose any more money here. I don't know if your boy wants to just keep doing this, man. We're going to have to fucking do a sector rotation strategy. Do another 10K, bro. I think we're valid here on this bounce. I think it's going to bounce off this line. Bomb 320. It seems like so. Please, God, yes, just bounce off this fucking line. Genuinely, like, I will go back to church, bro. I swear. If you just do what I'm asking you to do. Please, bro. I swear. No, I probably won't, honestly. Please, bro, just bounce off this line. Look at DDOG 4 hours. GEX stands for gamma exposure. Oh, I thought GEX was a ticker symbol. Open it. Dude, I'm in the trade. I'm already in the trade. I'm in a put, bro. I'm in a put. I'm in a freaking put. I'm in a put, bro. I mean, what? Like, what? Like, I mean, can you, I want to know where your head's at here. Like, on that, when you're looking at a 4-hour chart, what's your time frame on a trade? Like 2 weeks? Oh, it's bouncing. It's literally doing the thing. It's bouncing off my shit. $135 target price on DDOG. Oh, for a put, TradeGPT said in 4 weeks it'll be at 195. You might be ahead of the bullet there. It is, JJ. Just like in the Lexus. Just like Christine or whatever the fuck you guys were talking about that one day. That was so funny when Nanya Benny and like JJ knew each other. What happens if it bounces? I'm a bit new to stock. DDOG is Datadog, bro. What asset am I trading? I'm trading JP Morgan right now. Dude, yeah, if you short the shit out of Datadog right now, based on the chart, I mean it's good, but I've had technical analysis plays absolutely ruin me. Answer the name of the asset. This is JP Morgan. It's a stock in the stock market. The name of the asset is JP Morgan. If Datadog prints on puts, I'll beat you, Stephanie. Only need to go back one day. Where's the channel guy? What channel guy? Thanks, Shaz. Dude, I told you. Oh, I make money. Yeah. I make money if it bounces. But I needed to bounce down. Like, this shit needs to bounce off of here and go down. But it doesn't look like it's doing that. Oh, my God. I'm going to have to fucking do calls here, man. At 11:44, bro. Dude, I just might just take the L, bro. What is, like, I'm going to go and do calls and try to catch a fucking $1 fluctuation. This is just still chop. I just won't close this trade, bro. I'm not even mad. I'm not mad. Frig. F-R-I-G. Are you shorting JP Morgan? Yes, I am. Great. Thank you. Yeah, good observation. I am shorting JP Morgan. I'm shorting JP Morgan. Do not calls. I'm not doing. Okay, no calls. No calls then, bro. I won't do calls. It's just I've watched NVIDIA fluctuate from 217 to 215, back to 217, back to 215. And if that's kind of the environment that's the market's trading in right now, I should have just started earlier today and grabbed puts in the beginning. Right? When you have these massive moves in the beginning, the best time to trade is fucking 15 minutes after the market opens. Dude, Gapper's like Batman. I'm not even kidding. Gapper literally might be Batman. Can you ask Gay GPT? Dude, yeah. So Magic, when I asked it for a trade this morning, it gave Lunar, L-U-N-R. And it was like this call from May 15th. I said, no way. Yeah, bad time frame. That just might be what it is. I mean, you can't competently take a trade at 11 a.m. without like having an actual plan. I didn't have a plan here. Does it though? Because I'm trading puts on JP Morgan, Xander. And your boy is getting waxed up. Like fucking little St. James level fuckery. Like, he literally cut my face off and is wearing my face as a mask. Deleted 100,000 emails. Am I the CEO of NIGR? Is NIGR the fucking satellite company? Don't they, does that company, Zebra, don't they do satellites? Or is that the counterfeit $20 bill company? Oh my God, dude. Just one green candle after the other. Every time you guys see the stock go up, just kind of picture Jamie Dimon kicking me in the nuts and spitting on me. Yeah, dude. It's crazy, and what pisses me off about this isn't my prompt number 3. This is just me trading based on my own fucking analysis. Anyway, let's do prompt number 3 and just see what happens. I've got $5,000 to play with today, besides the $5,000 I have on JP Morgan. Is that water? What's water? Right here? Yeah, this is water. Marvel calls, bro. MRVL. This isn't the Marvel that I'm thinking of. Yeah. Marvel calls, dude. I'm not doing this, bro. I'm not doing this shit, man. I'll just keep holding JP Morgan. This thing has to go down. Right? It's not like, it's just like an anomaly. Anyway, I'm gonna run to the bathroom really quick. You should have got in at market, bro. I bought a market order here. I did buy a market order. It filled instantly. We filled at $298. The stock's only gone up $3, but it's bad for my super high volatility put. Okay, what's the play here? JP pumping, yeah. It is pumping, dude. I might just kind of close out, take 500, lose the 500 and go. MRVL Technology, and is asking me to do a long call for the 15th of May. And just all of this, just the market just looks like shit right now, bro. Like, I want to know what, I want to go to another trader stream who quote unquote is killing it and see what he's trading today. Hi, dude. Luna trade was way off. Strike 425 at $7, not 4ish, and stock was already at 30. No, yeah, Steve, that'll happen sometimes. Whenever that happens and the price is way off, I usually just won't take the trade because it usually means it's insanely volatile. Or just like any other AI can do, when you're plugging it with 100 million different data points, it can hallucinate data points. So if that ever does happen, I usually just re-prompt and we're good to go. But yeah, that does happen. Probably down 1K now. Let's see. I think I'm down more. Yeah, I'm down $1,800. These are at 134. I mean, bro, we're not too far off the mark. Same thing happened with Dell, bro. You guys gotta remember, I was getting fucked on Dell. But if I close out of the trade right now, it won't fuck with my month too much. I'm up 10 grand so far this month. So it's like, it's not going to be terrible, but yeah, we're going to have to, I mean, this shit has to start doing something, bro. Because if the entire market just reverses right now in my head, I mean, it's not worth it. I mean, like, I can lose the fucking 1,800, but, I mean, I think it's going to go back down, man. I mean, what the fuck are we talking about, bro? Like, genuinely, like, what the fuck are we talking about? It's going to just go up a little bit. They're waiting for me to close. Watch, they are waiting for me to close. I'm not going to close anytime soon, but the moment I do close, I'm going to get glitched. Dell wasn't as bad as this. Dell was pretty bad, bro. Dell got pretty fucking bloody. Okay, I need to go pee really quick. My P&L was positive for the month. Good shit, B-Suddy. Good shit. Yeah, we're stuck. We're stuck at a 733 SPY, and the SPY's starting to rebound now. Yeah, I just might have just been wrong place, wrong time. Got caught with my pants down here on this JP Morgan trade. No, it's starting to go back down, bro. We're on a 4-hour actually though. I mean, yeah, it's pretty fucking bearish, bro. Yo, can you see my message? Yeah, I can see your messages, Zebra. What'd you say? NIGR sells human stock framework. NRGR sells outdated farm equipment. Okay, yeah, bro. Like, yeah. Oh, okay. Call Trump, ask him to bomb something. Dude, JP Morgan probably will do fucking shorts on whatever they bombed, and then, yeah, I'd get fucked by Jimmy Diamond even harder. I'm sitting in detox trading. Good shit, good shit. CSMA open long soon at 24.84. Open a long with CSMA. CMSA. What are you opening the long at? 24.84. I gotta do Hekanashi here, bro. This thing just keeps going up, doesn't want to stop. Yeah, I'll probably take a lot. I mean, if I take a $2,500 loss, man, it's gonna be really bad. But I mean, I've got till Friday, but I don't think that this thing's gonna stop anytime soon. I genuinely think my position could go to zero. I just caught it wrong time, bro. Wrong time. Great trade, wrong time. CMC. Oh, CMC. CMCSA. CMCSA. Yes. Okay. Comcast. Open a long at 24.84. I mean, this is your entry. It's at 24.84 right now. Cut the trade, bull divergence on 1 hour RSI, JP Morgan crushing it on fundamentals. You're betting against the trend. I know I am. I know I am. It was just like I said, man. I don't know how to do that inconspicuous. I'm not that good of a trader. Might take an entry here on a CM's Comcast. On a long. What time frame? What time frame? Dude, am I really? But I don't think I'm. Yeah, I am betting against the trend, bro. I mean, there's nothing about this that says it's going down. There's not a single thing here that says, hey, boss, this stock is going down. I'm betting against the fucking trend, bro. I mean, we got red candle forming. We'll see what happens. I need to pee though, bro, really bad. So I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna run up an ad on you guys.
If you're reading the free version of the Signal Daily,
I don't know what this video was for, but I'm gonna go to the bathroom and
version of the Signal Daily, you're already ahead of most people. You get the market story and where the smart money is moving, so no more scrolling, no more constant Google searches. We've done all of that for you. But here's what free doesn't show you. The board is blurred. The names are hidden. You see the shape of the convergence, but not the names converging. Signal Pro hands you the board. Every morning, our AI scans thousands of stocks across 5 independent data layers. Dark pool flow, options activity, insider buying, congressional trading, and AI portfolio movements. When 2, 3, or 4 of those layers point at the same stock in the same direction, that's a convergence. The rarer the combination, the louder the signal. For each alert, you also see the actual data behind it. the dark pool multiplier, the options skew, smart money transactions, and what our AI portfolio did. Plus, a plain English why it matters breakdown on every alert, and an AI reasoning block telling you why our system thinks this convergence is worth your attention. You also get portfolio context, the top 3 holdings plus the top 3 rebalance moves from our model portfolios, so you can see exactly how the AI is actually positioned. The point is to stop guessing. 5 independent data sources don't all agree by accident. When they line up, that's signal destiny. Free gives you the story, Pro gives you the names, the numbers, and the reasoning behind them. So once you've seen the full board, going back to the blurred one is hard. Upgrade to the Signal Pro for $49 a month and unlock the full email.
Yeah, get fucking marketed to, bro. Look at the pinned pupils. Wired to the T. Where? What? Do I look? Oh my god, though. This is getting worse and worse. Yeah, we're going to cut here. We're going to cut. I got a meeting in 3 minutes. There's nothing good about this trade. I should have cut it way earlier. I don't look wired in that video. I look wired.
If you're reading the free version of the Signal Daily,
I guess I do look wired as fuck. What about this one? Do I look wired in this one?
what if I told you a CEO just bought millions of dollars in his own stock? That alone is interesting, but then our AI flags something else. Options activity surging while unusual volume spiked in dark pools. Same stock, same week, and the big money moving in the same direction. Then congressional filings show purchases on the same name. All public filings, all legal, all sitting right there in the data. If you're just looking at one data point, that's noise. 4 data points
I trust him.
on the same stock at the same time, that's a pattern most people completely miss. Our AI tracks insider filings, congressional disclosures, options flow, and dark pool activity across 8,000 stocks every single day. The data is public, most people just aren't looking. If you want to see these patterns right when they happen, join our free newsletter, Signal.
Yeah, those are the videos I've been doing for TA's Signal. Yo, wait till candle closes. I mean, on my put. What up, gappers? You think I should go? You think I should stay in this short? I mean, I think we're pretty far beyond the point of recollection here. Yo, what's good, Paul? Wishing you a chat and a great day. Thank you, bro. Wishing you and chat a great day. You didn't get out yet? I said I'd wait at least until the candle closes. All right. Fuck it. I want the 1 minute candle. I mean, that's fine with me. I gotta go. I've got a meeting in 1 minute though, guys. Let me see if I can just take this. Yeah, bro. It's going back down. Finally, 2 red candles in a row after the last 15 minutes of just absolute ass poundage. What do you guys say I don't, what do you guys say I don't, close out until tomorrow? What do you guys think of that? Top of that green candle, yeah. Should have never done it. I said a supply zone. Is that bad? Or is that good for puts? No calls, hodl or exit. I guess I'm gonna hold. Testing support. Support where? Oh. You guys think it's gonna go down? Just really simple. I'm just gonna ask, bro. Dog. I'm just gonna say, give me a price prediction on this stock for the end of the day. Just an estimate based on all of the data you read through. And then let's do just the answer alone. Nothing else. To change who I used to be. A reason to start $300 to $304 a share. Okay. Green, Paul, green it's good and red it's bad. No, Magic, it's actually not, it's not that simple at all. You have to consider the 8 other colors. I only do rainbow trading. I have no idea, man. What's it talking about? It's comparing itself to the S&P 500. Dude, just more yap. Yeah, let's take a fucking $1,600 loss, man. $1,800 now. Like their clothes will be covered. This is what happens when you don't listen. This is literally what happens when I don't listen to the fucking robot, man. Yeah. Big drop here. Big drop here, guys. As soon as this Google meeting link comes in for this meeting I'm having at 12, it's supposed to be at 12, I gotta hop off, but let's check the agent arena really quick. Dude, and of course Wrecked is my fucking agent's crushing it, but I'm not. My fucking agent's up $9,000 today. Did an AMD put. Wow, man. My agent asked TradeGPT. So I have agents that use TradeGPT, and this motherfucker asked, what's gonna blow up today? And then my then Tradealgo told it to do an AMD put. Bro, it crushed with this AMD put. It bought 60 contracts. What time did it buy these? 60 contracts at 10:45 a.m. of AMD puts. Let's see how this motherfucker did. Again, let's go back. So at what time was it? This was at 10:45 a.m. Can you guys see this? 10:45 a.m. My agent did AMD 410 puts. To change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. Okay, so we did, bro, when did he, 12th of May at 10:45? Oh my God, bro. What a nasty ass trade. Wow. Holy shit. My agent, this agent is better than me. It's up 10 grand today. Yo, Vincent from Miami said, hey, bro, stop fucking cursing. I don't do that shit. Bro, stop fucking cursing. You're crazy. Boy, stop. Dude. Dude, I'm going to throw up. I'm actually going to throw up. And then it goes and takes $2,000 losses on NVIDIA calls. Let's see what else everyone's up to. The other degen is down 2 grand because he did. I actually need to fix this. So saying it took 2 open positions, but with 0 trades. Oh yeah, I did a Tesla put and an AMD put, but the reason to start over new. I might be able to make its way back with this put. This goes to show how fucking stupid the market is. Yeah, for real. To change who I used to be. Okay, so I'm gonna screen record this really quick because I'm making a long form video about this.
Are you on screen?
Yeah, but we got a meeting right now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, guys. I gotta go. All right, I'll see you guys later. Well, it's the beginning of the recession. Yeah, I'm in this trade till the end of the week. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might hop on later today if JP Morgan changes price. I'm not out of the trade yet, but peace out, guys. Love you guys.